Hey there, fellow entrepreneurs. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss that can help you make money online. We'll be diving into the world of Fiverr and exploring how you can become a successful middleman, connecting clients with talented freelancers. So, let's get started. Before we jump into the specifics, let's clarify what being a middleman on Fiverr means. As a middleman, you act as a bridge between clients and freelancers, connecting those who need services with those who offer them. Your role is to find clients, understand their requirements, and then hire the appropriate freelancers to complete the tasks. To be effective as a middleman, it's essential to choose a niche that aligns with your skills and interests. Research different categories on Fiverr, such as graphic design, content writing, video editing, or social media management. Determine which services are in high demand and match your expertise. The key to success as a middleman is having a reliable network of skilled freelancers. Start by exploring Fiverr's platform and identify freelancers who consistently deliver exceptional work. Reach out to them, explain your business model, and propose collaboration opportunities. Building a strong network of freelancers will help you consistently meet your clients' expectations. To attract clients, you need to create a professional and compelling profile on Fiverr. Include a detailed description of your services, emphasizing the value you bring as a middleman. Now that you have your niche, network, and a killer profile, it's time to find clients. Leverage different channels like social media platforms, business directories, and online communities related to your niche. Actively engage with potential clients, understand their needs, and offer your services as a solution. Once you secure a client, it's crucial to manage projects effectively. Clearly communicate with your clients and freelancers to ensure everyone is on the same page. Establish realistic deadlines, provide detailed instructions, and monitor progress closely. Your role as a middleman is to ensure a smooth workflow and maintain client satisfaction. As a middleman, your pricing strategy is essential. Research the market rates for similar services on Fiverr and determine your commission. It's common to charge a percentage of the project's total value or negotiate a fixed fee with your freelancers. And there you have it, my entrepreneurial friends, the ultimate guide to making money as a middleman on Fiverr. Now, armed with this valuable knowledge, it's time for you to take action and seize the opportunity. Remember, success awaits those who are willing to step into the realm of possibilities and create their own path. But wait, this is just the beginning of your journey. The world of Fiverr is brimming with potential, and by harnessing your skills, building a network, and providing exceptional service, you can elevate your status as a trusted middleman. So, are you ready to dive into the exciting world of freelance entrepreneurship? Don't wait another moment. Hit that subscribe button to join our thriving community.